Make a great choice today with the 2014 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power door locks, electronic stability control, day-night rear view mirror, Sirius satellite radio, tilt steering wheel, front license plate bracket, tinted glass, black door handles, active grille shutters, power rear window sunshade. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.